We want to travel.
And live.
Well, take him with y'all.
Miss
He's
Paul,
6
Miss Paul,
months
Miss Paul,
old.
Miss Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Your parents came in here not to waste my time.
Thank you.
You, obviously, with everything you're saying, is wasting my time because it's making 0 sense. 0. Do you know how many parents have gone to school? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Address me.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Do you know how many parents have gone to school and have raised minor children? It happens every day.
She entered dreaming of travel and luxury, but the judge refused to believe her excuses. Each defense collapsed under the gavel's power. Parents worldwide raise children daily without complaint. The judge demanded clear answers she could not avoid. The air thickened with tension as everyone waited to hear exactly what would happen next.
Not doing anything that's special, but since you're choosing this route, then your parents have to do what they have to do and make sure that you're at least financially supporting these children. Now, how much is it that you're making?
I make about $48,000
What?
a year. Here they go.
They didn't even know you were making this kind of money?
I mean,
Answer the question. It's a yes or a no.
No.
You didn't tell your parents you're making this kind of money.
I didn't feel like I had to.
Why would you feel like that?
Because it's my name that's on the check.
The truth spilled fast. She earns $48,000 yearly, but her parents had no idea. When confronted, she insisted the checks were in her name. The judge wasn't swayed by entitlement. Each question cut deeper, revealing secrets long hidden. The atmosphere shifted sharply, as the next revelation promised to be even more painful than the last.
You know what? Let me move over to your parents for 1 second.
This little selfish little girl of ours. Oh my Lord.
What is this about? What type of relationship do you all have?
Well, we thought it was pretty good, but evidently it's worse off than I thought. I mean, we raised her to be a better person, but evidently she went off track somehow. But
Probably that year she went astray. That
probably,
year and a half.
yeah.
Okay.
She went astray for a year and a half
But
when she was 16.
What I want to know is who's the father? I mean, what is the father doing? I mean,
You know, that is a good question, Mr. Paul.
Attention turned to her parents, their voices heavy with disappointment. They explained how she abandoned the values they raised her with. The judge pressed further, asking the question everyone dreaded. Who is the father? Silence stretched until shock began to form. The answer, once revealed, would completely change the tone and direction of this standoff.
Child's father.
Do you even know he in Hawaii with his wife or something?
What? Oh,
I mean,
he's married?
I said it was a mistake. I said it was a mistake.
Okay. Now it's making sense now.
Call what you did was a mistake, but the baby is not a mistake.
exactly.
Okay.
He's the only
the mistake
boy
led
in the
to
family.
The baby, so kind of all sound like a mistake to me.
Okay,
But-
well, you know what? I'm not going to mistake these child support numbers once I give them to you, okay? Now, you said you make about $48,000 a year. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The father was in Hawaii married. The judge's voice grew sharper. Her choices may have been mistakes, but the baby was not. Salary figures filled the air, reality closing in quickly. She earned $48,000. The gavel hovered, ready to strike. Judgment was moments away, and the numbers would leave no space for excuses or hiding.
All right, so that brings your gross to $4,000, making your net $3,356.08. Do you have any other children?
No.
Okay.
I don't know.
Don't.
Mr. Paul, what was that?
Trust me, I don't, and I don't plan
know.
on it.
She may have some more that we don't know about. So.
Okay. Well, hopefully, if that's the case, you all do not have to take those kids in either.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Paul, I mean, this is ridiculous. You left that baby with your parents, do not provide any financial support, and then have the audacity not even to tell your parents how much money you're.
Calculations began. gross income, net income, and her parents' disbelief deepened. The judge highlighted the unfairness, leaving her child with grandparents, giving no support while earning thousands. Tension built toward the inevitable. Everyone knew a life-changing child support figure was coming, and it would be announced soon. Each passing second made the anticipation grow even stronger.
That's just wrong.
I didn't even think that I had to tell them how much money comes into
No.
my account.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Really?
You're wrong, and I'm not going to sit up here and play like you're not. I'm telling you to your face, you're wrong. So, net is $3,356.08. Who can? Never mind. How much is health insurance for this baby?
What?
It's like 250.
250, yeah, 250.
For the baby alone?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So we're also going to make you reimburse health insurance of $250.
Excuse me?
That bring, oh, did you not hear me? You want me to say it a little louder? It's $250 for a health insurance reimbursement.
She resisted, claiming no need to share financial details. The judge cut her off, firmly declaring she was wrong. Another cost, $250 for health insurance, was added. Piece by piece, the total grew higher. The gavel strike felt closer with each calculation. The amount waiting at the end would completely stop her in her tracks.
Plus your child support obligation of $671.
Yes.
That brings monthly child support to $921.
Okay, well, if I gotta pay that, I'm not coming around. Like,
And you know what?
You're either gonna get
And
child
you know
support or
what?
time.
I missed something. Because your parents asked for back pay.
Hello?
Back
They
pay.
asked for back pay since the baby has been living with them. That comes out to $5,526, and I'm going to have you reimburse that at $100 a month.
Thank
so
you.
that $921 plus an additional $100 comes out to $1,021 that you're going to be paying your parents every month.
The final figure landed hard, $1,021 each month, including back payments. Her shock was instant. The judge reminded her that choices have consequences. The air felt heavier. She owed her parents for the life they had stepped in to provide. The truth was undeniable, but the case still had one more dramatic turn ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Even
welcome.
though I was coming to visit him and stuff, like,
Even
Visit.
though you were coming to
Yes.
visit, you just said something key. You said visit. You're the parent. They should be visiting,
Hello.
not the other way around. They've raised you and your sister. It's not their responsibility to raise your child. So since they have chosen to take on that responsibility, you're going to be responsible for the financial side. Is there anything further?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, Mr. and Mrs. Harrell? I'm sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Paul. I called you by your first name,
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Paul.
that's okay. That's okay.
She claimed she visited her child. The judge responded, parents should visit, not the other way around. Responsibility wasn't her parents' duty. They had already sacrificed enough. Now it was her turn to contribute financially. Each word from the bench made the truth sink deeper. Yet the courtroom tension had not reached its highest point.
Let's take what we can get, because anything else?
Okay. No, I
Just
think
want
that's
my
it.
money.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes, I'm sorry, excuse me, when you get done.
Yes, ma'am. Was there something else you needed to
No,
let me know?
ma'am.
Okay. I heard you mumble a little bit. I didn't know if you had something else to say.
I had something in my throat.
Oh, okay.
I bet you did.
Mrs. Paul. Mr. Paul, that's inappropriate.
Oh,
Mrs.
I'm sorry.
Paul.
I'm sorry.
We just need to make sure, we need to set up visitation schedule, because she does need to take care of them.
Yes, she does.
When we travel.
A quiet remark triggered a sharp exchange. The judge demanded respect. Visitation was discussed, but control slipped further from her hands. The truth hurt. No one could force her to be present. The focus became money, not affection. This family's fracture grew clearer, and only one last decision stood between them and final resolution.
Well, here's the deal. Legally, you can't force her to do that, okay? The only thing you all can do is, make sure you maintain your custody, right? And she can see the baby, but that's going to depend on what she wants to do. If she doesn't want to visit the child, I can't make her do that, but I can make her pay.
Well, we'll rather take something instead of nothing.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good life.
The judge's ruling was final. She could not be made to visit, but she would pay. The grandparents left with legal custody, holding both relief and sadness. The child's needs outweighed personal pride. This case stands as a lasting reminder. True responsibility is more than just a word. It is an action that must be lived.